Alright, this is the elevator at Peace Lutheran Church in Oakville, Missouri. That sign's gone. This is a Kone Smart Rise. I really like the buttons. Are you going down?
Yes.
I'm just an elevator filmer. This is a smart... Oh wait, there it is. Oh, here it is. Ooh, it's brighter. Alright. Here's door close right here. I just like to keep spamming this button because it's a toy. It's brighter than last time.
Well, if you go up to the third floor, that side opens.
Yeah, I'm not going up there. Here are the buttons. So you want to go to this button? Spamming it. This is a Kone because these are Kone lanterns. Let's look at the call button down here. Ooh! Alright. Take a... Alright. Very beautiful elevator. Alright, I'm gonna get out. I'm interested in elevators.
Okay.
I upload videos of elevators on YouTube. This is a Smart Rise. Alright. Go up to 1. Let's watch this go out. Let's get out and we might watch the door close. I'm gonna stay on this side so I can watch it close. There it goes. Now. So this.
One hour later.
It's a Kone because of these lanterns. This door closed right here.
He's very fascinated with
Does that make it close faster?
Yep.
Okay, well, we're on our way.
This is an acting indicator.
planning to go down.
Key switches.
Basement, that's where we are, yeah.
Yep.
Okay,
All right.
that's where we get off, because we have to get out of our costumes. And
All right. So
dump
we
our
have,
music.
and we have to go. There we go.
Do you want to push this button?
No, I'm gonna let you do it.
Yep. I'm gonna spam it.
Okay. All right. Here we go. You got it going. It's closed and we're moving. And see, we're right back where we started. Perfect.